Howdy ho, everybody. We are going to be making some chocolate marshmallow fudge. Real quick, real easy to make. 3 ingredients. Super simple. Just the way I like it. You need a can of sweetened condensed milk. You can do this in the microwave. You do not have to do it on the stovetop. I just prefer to do it on the stovetop. It turns out a little bit better, I think. We're just going to dump that into our pan. Make sure you get all that goodness out of that can. All that yumminess. We're going to turn this on low. Like a 2. We're just going to warm this through a little bit. Just getting it nice and smooth. And we're going to add an entire bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. 12-ounce bag. We're going to add that right in with our condensed milk. And we are just going to let that melt down until it gets all nice and smooth and silky. It smells amazing. I'm going to get some parchment paper, and we are going to line our 8x8 pan. One of my followers gave me the tip to crunch it up first before I try to put it in my face. So that is now what I do. Just like that. You want to stir this frequently so that your chocolate doesn't burn to the bottom or stick to the bottom. It will take a few minutes because you have your heat set very low. So it will take a few minutes for that chocolate to melt down completely. While we are doing that, we are going to measure out 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. My sons love this stuff to make fluffernutter sandwiches. My mom introduced them to it when they were just kids. I mean, little kids. And now they always bug me to get marshmallow fluff. You're going to use about half of the big jar. If you have the little jar, you will use the entire jar. You want 7 ounces of the marshmallow fluff. All right. We are getting there with this chocolate. You just kind of want to keep it moving around the pan so that it doesn't scorch or burn. It's a very, very nice silky color. That's what you're looking for, is that silky smoothness to your chocolate before you add your marshmallow fluff. You can also add fold in regular marshmallows to this, mini marshmallows. I thought about doing that as well today, but I think this fudge is going to be sweet enough without the added marshmallows to it. So we're just gonna do the fluff today. You just want it nice and smooth. Make sure all that chocolate is melted down. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's what it's looking like thus far. All right. All of my chocolate is nicely and melted in. So now I'm just going to take this, get marshmallow fluff everywhere. We're just going to take this fluff and we're going to add it directly in. Just like that. And we are going to mix that in. Just stir it in. Oh, we've got marshmallow everywhere. Gotta wash my hand. I got marshmallow fluff all over my hand. There we go. All right. Now we're just going to keep mixing this in. Well, you've still got it on the heat. And then when you've got it all the way mixed together, you're going to take it off the heat. And you're going to come and you're going to dump it in your 8x8 pan. you're going to do, just kind of smooth it out in your pan. So to get all your edges. That is what it looks like. It's going to go into the refrigerator for an hour to 2 hours, just long enough to set up. We will see you when we take it out. Ta-ta for now. All right, everybody. This has set up in our fridge for a little over 2 hours. I kind of forgot about it for a minute. So, it is well set. You're just going to take and cut into it. It is nice, tender, cuts through like butter. You can still see some of the marshmallow there. I didn't combine it completely in. That was intentional. All right. There's a nice little baby piece. I'm going to leave some of these pieces a little on the bigger side, just because my husband does like the bigger pieces of fudge. Comes off really nicely. That is what it looks like. Nice and smooth and creamy. You can see some of the marshmallow here on the bottom. We're going to take a little taste. I'm going to take a little taste off of this one, just because I shouldn't be eating it anyway. It just kind of melts in your mouth. It's so yummy. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And we will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.